What I'm about to tell you is going to slap you right in the face. If you were born after 1995, congratulations. You are officially living in ghost time. What's that, you ask? Oh, just the horrifying reality that your days are slipping away into a black hole of distractions, dopamine loops, and digital mind control, while you sit there, scrolling like a zombie. This isn't a joke. This isn't a drill. This is a full-blown life crisis, and you don't even know you're in it. Think about it. How many times have you just checked your phone, and suddenly an hour has vanished? Or opened TikTok for a few minutes, only to wake up 3 years later, wondering what the hell happened to your ambitions? Yeah, that's ghost time. And you are living in it. But don't worry, I'm not here to give you some boring-ass lecture. But I'm here to wake you up before you become just another lost soul in the digital graveyard. Here's what we're breaking down in this video. How technology hijacked your brain without you noticing. Spoiler alert, you're the lab rat. The illusion of connection that's actually isolating you. You have 5,000 followers, but no real friends. How your attention span has been shattered to dust. I bet you can't even watch this video without checking your phone. And most importantly, how to escape this mess before it's too late, because most people won't. By the end of this video, you're either going to wake the hell up or stay trapped in the matrix forever. Your choice. So, let's start with the biggest scam of the century. How technology turned you into a dopamine-addicted lab experiment. Ever wonder why you can't focus for more than 5 seconds? Or why picking up a book feels like a full-body workout? It's because tech companies engineered your brain to crave constant, instant stimulation. They built apps that work exactly like a slot machine. Keep scrolling, keep tapping, and eventually, you'll get that little dopamine hit that makes your brain rot. But here's the catch. You're not in control of this. The like button, the infinite scroll, the autoplay, they were all designed to trap you. You think you're just having fun online? Hell nah. You're being milked for your attention like a farm animal, while billionaires get richer off your inability to sit still for 2 seconds. And the worst part? This didn't happen by accident. These companies studied human psychology to make sure you'd get hooked. They literally use the same tactics that casinos use to keep gamblers glued to the slot machines. Except now, the slot machine is in your pocket 24/7, and the house always wins. And if you think you're too smart to get played, hate to break it to you, but your brain is still running the same outdated software as a caveman's. It doesn't matter how smart you are. If you're constantly plugged in, they own you. And guess what? While you're sitting there, staring at a screen, completely numb to reality, life is happening without you. That's why I call it ghost time. Because every time you lose yourself to the algorithm, you're not really living. You're just a shadow of what you could be. And if you don't do something about it now, you might never break free. Next up, we need to talk about the biggest lie you've been fed, the illusion of connection. You think being online means you're social? Ha! We'll expose that scam next. And if that doesn't piss you off, congratulations. You're already too far gone. RIP. But for those of you who still have some brain cells left, let's get brutally honest. You have 2 choices. 1, stay exactly the same. Keep doom scrolling. Keep wasting your days chasing cheap dopamine hits like a lab rat pressing a button for pellets. Keep lying to yourself that one more video won't hurt. And before you know it, you're 70 with bad posture, 0 skills, and an existential crisis. Or 2, wake the hell up. Take your attention back. Start reading, creating, moving, thinking. Stop consuming garbage and actually live. It's either that, or be just another soulless living thing, watching your life rot away in real time. Your call. And if you think I'm being too harsh, good. The world isn't going to hold your hand and sing you bedtime stories. You need a slap to the face, not a pat on the back. Lastly, the study by Dr. Gloria Mark, a professor of informatics at the University of California, Irvine. Her research on attention spans and digital distractions shows that the average person switches tasks every 47 seconds while working on a screen, and it takes about 25 minutes to regain full focus after being interrupted. Okay, don't shoot the messenger, but do with that information what you choose.